Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Miriam, and in today's video we are talking about affiliate marketing as a business model. So before we get into it, I just want to say, if you are new, thank you so much for clicking on my video and watching right now. And if you are already one of my subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with anybody that you think is going to find value in watching this video. So let's get right into it. If you've been watching any of my other videos, then you know that I'm all about online business and sharing opportunities with you that I think are worth checking out if you are interested in creating a side hustle to supplement your 9 to 5. So affiliate marketing is you helping businesses and brands promote their products and services and getting paid a commission to do that. These days, businesses and brands are willing to pay commissions to people that are going to promote their products and services and bring in more clients into the business. One of the biggest and well-known affiliate programs is Amazon. However, there are plenty of other companies and businesses that have affiliate programs. So how does it work? First of all, you need to sign up for the affiliate program that is being offered by a particular business or brand. After you've signed up, you will receive an advertising link that you will use to promote the products and services. When somebody buys a product or service using your link, you will get paid a commission. Some of the advantages are there is no shipping involved, there is no inventory of products, there is no customer service, and you don't have to worry about any of the techie stuff. So the company or the business that is running this affiliate program are responsible for the selling and fulfillment of the product or service that you're promoting. All you simply need to do is bring in the customers to that link, and then through that link, the customer will proceed and make a purchase from that website. Once those clients buy a product or a service, you will receive a commission from the business or the brand. Let's say I purchase my YouTube equipment from Amazon. Then as an affiliate who is signed up to the Amazon affiliate program, I will get a link to promote that particular item, and when somebody clicks on that link and shops on Amazon, I receive a commission from Amazon. There are all kinds of products that you can promote in any niche. It could be gardening, it could be home decor, sports, health and fitness, technological gadgets, etc., etc. One of the platforms that I know has got all kinds of products that you can promote as an affiliate is ClickBank. It's pretty simple to set yourself up as an affiliate with ClickBank. It's free, and once you set up an account, you will receive that advertising link that I talked about earlier, and then you can use your various channels to promote the products. So affiliate marketing is a simple business model, but it does have a learning curve. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, you have to be open-minded and willing to learn the skills that are required for you to be able to promote that advertising link and put it in front of the right audience and the right customers that are going to trust you to click and buy products through your link. So unless you are committed to learning some of these new skills, you won't really be able to make it with this. You have to have a big enough vision and sort of a long-term commitment to learn, because it is not going to happen overnight. There are a number of things that you have to set up and to learn in order for you to start earning those commissions. Most people that I've seen making a consistent income on month to month with affiliate marketing have been doing it for a very long time. So in order for you to see results, you may have to make a commitment to try the different strategies for at least 6 to 12 months. There are basically two categories of products you can promote. There's physical products and digital products. So digital products are products that you can sell virtually. These are in digital form, and once a customer purchases a digital product, they can access it electronically and downloaded over the internet. A physical product, on the other hand, is a product that will have to be shipped to the customer after they have purchased it. As a newbie in affiliate marketing, I personally, based on the research that I've been doing, would recommend that you go for a digital product, because a digital product has got some advantages over a physical product. Some of the advantages are that it's easier to manage, it's easier to promote and market, and it's also easier and cheaper to create. So most businesses that are selling digital products pay out higher commissions, mostly between 40 to 50% or 30 to 40% commissions to their affiliates on their affiliate programs. So under both of these categories, we have 3 types of commissions that you can earn. The first one is a one-time commission. The second one is a subscription commission, and the last one is a high-ticket commission. A one-time commission is the commission that you earn for a product that you promote and sell one time. Let's say you're promoting a camera on Amazon, which is going for about $150. And let's say, as an example, your commission is 10%. So every time a customer purchases the camera for $150 via your link, then you will receive a one-time payment commission of $15. The subscription commission is when you promote a product, usually a digital product, such as a software application. Let me say Aweber, which is a email marketing tool. Email marketers, they subscribe to Aweber for however long, years and years and years. So if you have signed on to the affiliate program for Aweber and you promote the product to other people and they purchase the Aweber product through your link, then you will continue to receive commissions on a monthly basis. So as you can see, the subscription commission is actually way better than the one-time purchase, because you will promote once and you will continue to receive commissions on a month-to-month basis as long as the customer continues to subscribe to the product. Then there are high-ticket commissions. So these are commissions that you will make if you are promoting high-end products that are very, very expensive. Like these products are worth thousands and thousands of dollars. And there are products like this on the internet that you can find and you can promote them. And these type of products usually pay very high commission, like a minimum of $500 for every purchase that a customer makes through your link. You can see affiliate marketing has the potential to help you create a substantial income for yourself online once you get to understand the entire process and build the skills that are required in order for you to be successful at doing this. So here's a diagram that I got from one of my mentors who is very successful in affiliate marketing, and it kind of just gives you the big picture of the potential, the earning potential that you can create for yourself once you start actively taking action to do affiliate marketing. So I mentioned ClickBank earlier. ClickBank is a global retailer and a affiliate marketplace where you can shop for products that you can promote as an affiliate. And one of the resources that has helped me learn a lot more about affiliate marketing is ClickBank University. Who better to teach you about affiliate marketing than the affiliate marketplace itself? ClickBank offers a training program packed with online courses that are going to help you step by step learn all about affiliate marketing. So I highly recommend ClickBank University, especially for a newbie that is just starting out with affiliate marketing. You will learn everything from how to pick a product that you want to promote, how to find products on ClickBank that you are interested in and passionate about that you can promote and endorse, marketing strategies, email marketing, traffic sources, how to promote, tools that you can use, and all the other things that you need to be aware of when it comes to affiliate marketing on ClickBank. So, like I mentioned earlier on, if you are really serious about exploring affiliate marketing, then you need to invest time and energy into making sure that you are successful doing this. If you are really interested in signing up for the ClickBank affiliate program and ClickBank University training, I will leave a link in the description down below, and you should definitely check it out and see where this opportunity can take you. That's it for today's video. You can also watch the video that I've created, which shows you how to create an account on ClickBank, how to set yourself up on ClickBank, how to navigate ClickBank and find products that you could potentially promote as an affiliate. So you definitely need to check that video out. Please comment below, give me your feedback, let me know what other kinds of videos that you want me to do in the future. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.